Okay, nandito po tayo para mag-survey sa isang taong umiibig. Tatanungin po natin siya kung sino po ang kanyang mahal.
Ang asawa ko po.
Okay. Kailan mo siya mamahalin? Hanggang kailan mo siya mamahalin? Hanggang kailan mo siya mamahalin?
Ay, alam ko na po. Hanggang leeg. Hanggang leeg.
Hanggang leeg.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janny, and I feel hungry tonight, so there is a call for Janny's Food Adventure. Two of my best friends, and we will be doing the Janny's Food Adventure with a twist. The twist is, we cannot speak in Tagalog. We need to speak in English the entire video. We are now going to Logbi'S. So we're now here in Logbi'S, and we need to wait for 10 minutes because there's a lot of people and they don't have an available table for us. So I'm gonna introduce my food buddies for tonight, and again, we need to speak in English. Oh my god, this is so challenging. Hi, introduce yourself. Hi, why me? Why me?
Why are you so fast? Why are you so fast?
Introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Lot. My second food buddy is another best friend of mine. My grammar is...
Hello, good evening. So, for more info, just visit our website. Charot.
So we finally found this. They're just cleaning it. What can you say? So we are going to order everything that they have on their menu. What can you say, guys? I'm busy. Well, what can you say? I'm busy. You're busy again? I'm always busy. So what are your expectations for Logbi'S? What do you expect? So, we have decided to stop the challenge. So, we surrender. Say to my universe, you surrender. Hello! Asan ka? So, you don't surrender yet? You don't surrender yet? Hindi, ano? I surrender by billion. How about you? You surrender your mind? Hello? You can no longer speak. Gawa mo, hindi kita magkaya. Me too, I'm surrendering. So, now, pwede tayo sa Tagalog.
Yes, hello po. Magandang gabi po. Siyempre makakilala ko pala aking sarili.
Sana naririnig ka. Kasi medyo malakas yung sound. Nag-aantay tayo ng dalawa pa namin kasama. 5 tayo ngayong kumain dito sa Logbi'S. Ang in-order namin is yung classic beef tapa, 69 pesos. Logbi'S spicy chicken. Lakas ang panila.
Yan po, malalaman po natin kung nasan tayo. Nasa Basi Sila po talaga tayo.
Pakingayan po ito ng tambucho. So ito na, ulitin natin. Beef tapa, classic beef tapa, 69 pesos. Logbi'S spicy chicken, 69 pesos. Logbi'S fried chicken, 69. Crispy lechon sisig at crispy lechon kawali. Ano yun natin?
Appetizer.
Ay, may pasabaw.
Ano yung nilagyan sa bowl natin?
Oo. Unlimited yung sabaw for 69 pesos. Set na pala tayo ng plastic eh, para...
Ano ba naman? Opo, pwede
Yung
po.
sabaw ko, ay, magbalutan ko namin yung buong taga-tasty. Ang Logbi'S po ay tapsihan. At sa tapsihan, alam naman natin na ang masarap talaga is yung unlimited sabaw. Tignan namin yung sabaw nila kung panalo ba yung sabaw nila.
Ala! May talaga po yung send. Yung company ko.
So here, cherry, masarap. Masarap siya. Hindi pang free yung lasa. Parang, masarap.
Hindi siya po. Baka siya. Pangmasa. Ganun.
At dumating na ang ating isa pang food buddy. Hi. What's your name? Kilala ka naman. Isa pa nating food buddy ay si?
Ako si... Ano ba? Ano ba? LR. Thank you, sir po siya.
At ang sa 69 pesos mo, they can serve 2 types of soup. So, meron kang pagpipilian. I don't know know if they are serving it they are serving it every day, pero yung nabigay sa amin is dalawang kind ng soup. So free lang yun, pero dalawang type pa. So we'll start now eating. This is their fried chicken, the non-spicy. Tikman ko na. Ay! Sorry.
Masabi ko ka.
Nakabasag pa ako sa Logbi'S. Tikman ko na yung fried chicken. In fairness talaga. Sa 69 pesos, ganitong kasarap yung mabuha mo. Sobrang sulit na. Sarap. Bako na yung lechon kawali. Mabilis lang tong vlog na to kasi mabilis ako mag-stay kasi ang dami nag-aantay sa labas.
Hello lang kasi.
So, nakakahiya naman. So, ito na lechon kawali. Dapat mo yung Mang Tomas. Sarap din. In fairness, sarap din. Nanunusok na po ako ng tinidor.
Malditong vlogger. Charot.
Hindi na tinusok ko siya ng tinidor.
Nagulat ako. Ganyan yung ugali niya. Nagulat ako. Oh my God.
Their classic tapa. Super perfect. Garlic yung lasa, ang sarap. What is this? Lechon sisig. Ang sarap. Lechon na lechon. Spicy chicken. So basically, yung chicken nila kanina, yung classic chicken, nilagyan lang ng spicy oil. Ano? Spicy oil? Oil spicy. Spicy na oil. Ito. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng spicy. Ang sarap. So kakain na kami. Tinikman ko lang. Kain na kami lahat at tingnan natin kung anong masasabi nila. Kinain mo ay
Great time. Sarap. Sarap. Crispy lechon kawali.
what can you say about it?
Sobrang sarap.
Ganon.
Parang yung napunta sa akin yung Logbi'S fried chicken. Sige, kung gano'n.
Alam po talaga natin kung nasaan po talaga tayo. Dito po tayo sa Bagong Sila. So, ayun po talaga yung binablog natin kung nasaan tayong lugar. Oh my God. Nakakaloka din. Ayoko na. Yes.
Dahil nga, napunta sa akin ay Logbi'S fried chicken. So, yung sa labas na yung balat, masarap siya malasa. Kaya lang, medyo dito, may ako dito sa loob. Kasi medyo, hindi, ang sapa. Kasi ewan ko kung ano lang panlasa ko, pero nakabaw siya sa akin. Pero yung labas, masarap siya.
Bella, ano kinain mo? Grade 7 ng Bagong Silang High School.
I'm sorry,
Kinain niya.
Grade 7. Grade 7.
Okay, hindi. So, ang kinain ko is, Logbi'S spicy chicken. So, masarap siya kasi nakatatlong rice talaga ako na parang gusto ko pa nga kumain. Manghang talaga siya, lalo na kapag sinawsaw dito. Pakituro. Yan, very good. So, ako po talaga yung magiging vlogger na ngayon. Yan, so masarap dito. So, okay naman. Kaya lang hindi talaga ako kaya ng upuan na to.
Sige, tatanungin na kita. Tatanungin na kita. Ano yung kinain mo?
Kinain ko classic beef tapa. For me, sa mga natikman ko tapa before, ito sakto lang. Hindi naman, satisfied ako sa 69, pero sakto lang.
So, tapa, nakakain ka na ba ng tupa?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Ay, hindi nakakain na ako before sa sa buffet.
Shout out mo na may ari
Shoutout sa may-ari ng polo.
Who is man?
Si Johnny.
So we're done eating. My food buddies.
Hello?
Hello pa lang? Tapos na, diba?
Hello! So, ngayon, dito po tayo.
Babalik na.
Ay, tapos na ba?
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Thank you so much sa panonood ng Logbi'S Food Review at Johnny's Food Adventure. Ito na ang ating pangatlong episode. Kung gusto nyo pang mapanood yung iba, nasa YouTube channel ko din sila ang aking review for Dax Burger and Abby Ramen. Ito na ang ating final verdict for Logbi'S. So, we have 4 categories ang ating 4 P's. People, price, place, at panlasa. So for 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. So for price, for 69 pesos, ganun na karami, masarap pa, solve na yon. That's 5 points for price. For people, sobrang accommodating nila, as in, nakakatuwa. In-accommodate naman nila kami nung pumunta kami doon. At ang dami talagang kumakain, in fairness. So, for people, that's actually 5. And for the place, I'll give it a 4. And for the panlasa, I'll give it a 4 as well. So, thank you, Logbi'S, for accommodating us. And if you wanted to visit them, they are located in Phase 7B, Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. I'll put their Facebook account on the description box so that you can contact them just in any case that you wanted to pay them a visit. Thank you so much for watching my videos and also for sharing it. And I hope that you share and like this video as well. If you wanted to be one of our food buddies, so we are going to look for food buddies very, very soon. So I'll send the mechanics as to how you can join. Thank you so much for sharing. And once again, my name is Johnny. I hope that you subscribe on my YouTube channel as well. Bye!